What is going on, Dank fam? It's your boy Mike Diesel, and last video I gave you guys about the 19 blew up miraculously out of the blue, and rather than send the motor to Cali and stuff like that, I figured I would look around for a deal. And my boy Morimoto actually went ahead and grabbed this 2020 about a month and a half ago on his channel. I was with him that day.
We also have a special guest with us today, Dankwheelie.
I'm hitting the gym every day just for this moment.
Gym's closed, baby, but the gun show's still going on. No! We're gonna call this Project Bushwhacker. Project Weed Whack.
This is straight beef jerky in the wheel, Mike.
Is it good? Is it good? 5
Yeah, that's straight
second
beef jerky, bro.
Give me.
Tell me that's not beef jerky.
Ooh. And I never expected myself to be buying this bike off of him to swap the motor over, and I don't even know what to do with all these parts. So the good thing is I have this bike. I put the money down to buy it. The bad news is I spent a lot more money than I really wanted to on this bike, and as you can see the condition of it, a lot of really nice expensive parts I could resell, like the headlights, the gauge cluster, everything else is completely destroyed. So the main thing that is the value for me is obviously this motor out of a 2020, so it's very low miles. It has a clean title, but you can see the front wheel rubs the headers. So I don't know if the frame's slightly tucked or if it's all the damage in the forks. So we're about to find out. But first things first, I gotta take these headers off, that way I can roll the bike easily and get it to the other side of the shop. And part of the deal that he gave me was he would let me use the shop to swap the motors. So we're gonna try to do it all tonight. So I'm gonna take these headers off real quick and get it back there. And I'm filming with the GoPro today. Let me know if this is a nice view for you guys, and maybe we could do some more GoPro vlogs. All right guys, we got the headers off. So we were able to roll the wheel. Radiator's barely hanging there. So I'm gonna jack it up and drain all the fluids out and then start tearing out the motor so we can get to the goods. Yeah, probably time lapse this one. So we got all the parts put on to test her out, see if she'll start for the first time with the new engine in. And I left the battery in my bike that I just bought to test out. So yeah, we haven't told anybody yet. All right, so this is the first test. Let's see, 3 hours swapping the motor over and dropping her in here.
If she ain't lighting up, that's a good thing.
Yeah, we got the engine light on, but it usually goes off if everything's good once the bike's on. It's first try. Woo! Back in business. Oh yeah, first try, we got the oil right. Didn't have to burp the system. Damn boy, we getting good at this. Yo, what is going on, Dank fam? It's your boy Mike Diesel, and today we are back on the road in an old familiar place, Orlando, Florida, people. I wanted to take a second to show you guys the van. I got some doo-doo down the side from some bird, but not just that. We have right here an entire set of mint 2019 fairings. You guys are probably thinking, Dank, you blew your engine, not broke your plastics. Why did you get a whole set of 2019 plastics? The reason is, say hello to my 2020 ZX6R, people. So this bike is basically just a Frankenstein of a bike that I was able to find that you guys seen. My buddy had a parts 2020 ZX6R, and I went ahead and just Frankensteined it all together. And I also found a set of orange OEM plastics. I've been dying for this color scheme, and I know it looks crazy with all the grain accent, but honestly, I love it so much. I don't know what it is, but the goofy color combo just looks right for me. But other than that, people, just new plastics. And of course the new 2020 engine. I'm hoping maybe since the 19 just randomly blew up out of nowhere, if there was some kind of issue with the manufacturing, they might have fixed it in 2020, who knows. Shout out to my boy John. It took us 3 hours to put that bike together. Literally, this is the first day that I'm gonna be test riding it. And as an added bonus, people, we spent about 2 days straight putting this beauty together. My boy Cooley is back on 2 wheels. And it is like one of the sickest 19 builds I've ever seen. Just the uniqueness of it. So we're getting ready to ride out to the meetup spot, the epic O-Town ride. I'm not gonna talk too much. I just want to get the intro out of the way. But first, biggest thing, guys, I want to say thank you so much for all the support. 1 week of downtime. Blew the bike up on Wednesday, and within the next week's Wednesday, we had the bike all rebuilt looking like this. So I'm beyond thankful, people. And just once again, thank you so much for the support and rocking in. That video got so many views on the bike getting blown up, so hopefully we don't have to make another video like that. But thank you guys for all the comments with all your guys' info that you were dropping. So yeah, let's get to fucking riding. That bitch still got the price tag on it. His taillight's completely broken, but it looks perfectly fine riding behind him. That's cool. Callie did 2 lenses on the taillight, so if you break your lens flipping a wheelie, you still have a red light. Oh my god! We have a 19 again! So stoked, people. Very short wheelies. We ain't out here flexing today. We're doing a nice cruise. Fresh build! Fresh build. Back in service, people. Absolutely love the colors he did with this bike. Purple frames in general. Woo! First wheeling out of nowhere. You can't kill it. Oh my god. Last year's epic O-Town ride, I got my bike there first before anybody else started pulling up, so the cops weren't all there. They were really tripping about me leaving my truck in there with the bike. So later on in the day, I ended up sneaking my truck in there, keeping my bike with it. And the reason they wanted me to not have my truck in there is so they could impound my bike for bad registration, not seeing a transport vehicle with it. But yeah, last year was a shit show with the epic ride. Nobody really even made it out besides in handcuffs. And the people that did go on a ride were like chased by like 5 state troopers the whole time. So if you crash, you're definitely going to jail. What's it doing? Clicking? Is it clicking?
Something is loose.
What?
Something is loose. Ride it and hit the front brake. You'll feel it go forward. I can see it move.
Yeah, it's your neck bearings. Look right here. Look at that.
They gotta be tighter?
Yeah, you gotta take your triple off, hit that with a screwdriver and chisel it tight.
Oh my god.
It's fine, you gotta be gentle with it.
I feel it. As soon as I fucking hit it, I feel it.
Yeah, look.
Fuck.
Oh yeah, and something I meant to add in my video about blowing the bike up. I feel like it's like one of those things, like buying a brand new bike for me is like getting that egg project in class back when you're in middle school, where you have to keep track of the egg, and like everything you do is perfect, and you end up destroying this egg anyways. Alright, we got to the meetup spot. I'm gonna get some gas, grab a drink for the first time today, and get to it, people. And we gotta do a little button it up on old girl here, but bikes are looking good, riding good. I'm excited, people. It's just hot as balls.
Smoking and riding, smoking and riding. Yeah. Yeah, I left my love in San Francisco with 10 pounds of endo. I put her on the road with the work, told her hold that first, we gon' cash out, get more. Down from the jump, hand on the pump, she my shotgun rider. If a nigga won't funk, throw him in the trunk, run him up past my lighter. Smoking on killers, straight casualties. Me and weed like Mickey and Mallory. A pimp nigga, rich nigga, yeah, I gotta be. A broke bitch, fuck with my allergies. Woo! Damn, Fred, God bless you. These niggas and these hoes can't stress you. A sack full of good, rolled in the wood, ain't no pressure. I got money on my mind, dope is on my line. Police trying to get me, but they miss me every time. About to smoking right, blowing up a fine. Police trying to get me, but they miss me every time.
While we smoking and riding, smoking and riding, smoking and riding. We gangsta gives and we cruising down these ghetto streets. And you know it. He checking out his traps, seeing how they be. And you know it. His cup full of pink, mine's full of brown. And you know that's us coming down the block when you hear that sound. Oh yeah. Right now I'm smoking baguettes, but girl, I'm thinking about you. Finna smoke some more, a problem too. And when we done smoking, I'm trying to get to you, baby, baby, baby. But now I'm smoking and riding, smoking and riding, smoking and riding. When I see you, girl, you know we gon' be smoking and riding, smoking and riding. While you smoking and riding.
Next those one sits. I don't want those cheap USB cable. I don't want these cheap rubbish. I do need actually one of these rubbers. I got 3. I need 2. I need 1 more to make it full. I mean, what's he's got no hope. He's got 2 missing. I only got 1 missing. But if I take one of his 2, then I will be complete. Laugh with me, rookie, even though you're filming. Laugh.